My oldest daughter, Ellie, was born 2.5 months premature. Doctors treated her with devices that made her cry and scream in pain. I swore that if I ever got the chance, I would do something about it.
In Northeast Ohio, one idea can make a difference.
I formed a nonprofit called PediaWorks to develop medical devices just for pediatrics.
Sometimes inspiration can come from the smallest of us.
Just ask Ellie.
Telling stories that move this region forward.
We're Channel 3, and we see the possible.
She's the picture of health now, but 8 years ago, Ellie Moran was born 2 months premature and spent the first 3 weeks of her life in a neonatal intensive care unit.
And on a daily basis, doctors treated her with devices that made her cry and scream in pain. And I asked the doctors, isn't there something you can do about this? And they said, we wish we could, but there just aren't enough devices designed for little kids like this.
That inspired Tim Moran to start PediaWorks, a company that would make medical devices to fit children. The first project, angiography catheters used to diagnose heart problems.
So a smaller patient deserves to get a smaller catheter, and unfortunately we haven't had that until now.
It's vastly different in size and design from an adult catheter, and it received FDA approval in just 18 months. Next month it will become standard in a cath lab like this one. But it's not all PediaWorks is working on. The next project is a child-sized stent that will dissolve over time.
This could mean the difference between life and death in many children. The kids grow and the devices don't. And that's a major problem because right now they either have to make patients wait until they're older to accommodate an adult stent, or they have to pull the stent out later, which is a very dangerous procedure.
Dr. Alex Golden is a pediatric cardiologist who helped develop some aspects of the catheter device and was paid by the company. But he believes in the product he'll use on his patients and is looking forward to using the new stent.
When one becomes available for clinical use, I think it's really going to be a game changer in terms of especially care for pediatric patients.
Monica Robbins, Channel 3 News.